we convened a meeting of aspirants who are going to participate in the forthcoming by-election. As you all know, we have at least 22 by-elections. And DCP party has attracted very many aspirants. Last time we were gathered here to unveil the parliamentary aspirants for Malava constituency and Banisa constituency. We would like to report that those candidates have hit the ground. The momentum is so high, and we want to encourage the electorate from the two constituencies to continue supporting our candidates. We have said that DCP is a party whereby we are going to allow democracy to work. That is why we are having this number of aspirants wanting to vie on the DCP party. Today, on behalf of the party leader, I am glad to unveil the following candidates in the following electoral jurisdictions, and I'd like to invite them to our party. We will have nominations in areas where we have more than one candidate, and we have agreed, and it's the resolve of the National Executive Council, that we are going to have a free and fair nomination.
There's a lot of attempt that the leadership of this country is trying to coerce the people of Banisa into a contest which the Banisa people are not ready for. One thing I want to tell them is that they should not waste their time. The people of Banisa have told me in no uncertain term that I should be on the ballot with this party called DCP. So I want to tell those people who are spelling rumors that there is no day under this sun. There is no person who can push me to pull out of this race. I am set and I am ready to hit the ground.
We are now set as the candidate of the party for the by-election. And we just want to urge the IBC that this announcement for the by-election has taken so long, and we are now tired, but we are ready. Let them declare the positions vacant so that we may hit the ground running. Last warning to the ODA guys, we are going to give you a war for your money. So prepare very well, and we will ensure hakuna kiti hata moja wewe Ruto